first winning percentage in the park.
And you've got this vast open space. Chris Jordan and Nathan
runs really well, so they've gone against how big a job the Hurricanes bowlers have, and we know the way he goes about it.
Big on the ring.
To answer your question, Al, just on that Josh 50, it's a challenge for any.
Angled in towards his paddle through straight mid-wicket, none for 6. A good way to finish the over. Last ball of the over, hit it where he wanted to.
Was to pitch up and let Brown hit him down.
Comes as for 4.
Others using the Nathan Ellis always grows, so I'm not having any of this seam move.
There's a bit to like about with the ball. The first time tonight, former trainer in the West Indies as well. Great to see. That's holding on. Another wicket, and that is the end of Josh Brown.
I understand the dimensions of the ground. I was up for 35.
The 3 produced some good knocks this year.
Go.
Sure, that is easy pickings for he needed something like that just to
ground as well. So that's a side. It's definitely a strength of a bowler to.
Munro catches it. Munro! Or did it slip from
there to catch to beauty because he's got a hold of this slog sweeps. It's hard to spin the ball away from the lefty ball.
Munro. Gordon comes around and it's a mammoth over. 20. Colin Munn hit 9 sixes off the
Yes.
And helps him. 1 for 6.
It's heading past legs.
Trying to do. And the other night was break.
Hit on. Ellis makes the break. Stroke of drinks. Just.
Not a lot of swing on offer. 8 on. Yep. Just put the brakes on a little bit there.
And the leg to the rope.
Sloppy from Patrick Dooley straight up. Just lost it.
Up along with their pace. And
with a superb delivery.
Jordan full again attacking the start behind square leg side, and that's what's Brookhanes, the dangerous Renshaw who plays it.
They've got some serious.
Dooley.
Munro charges to David to redeem himself, and he's reached 500 runs. Next ball, he departs.
And look at Dooley, is excited. David nearly made a meal of this, but the ball actually gets there. Dooley.
The block. Just 2 out. Nikhil Chowdhury has again joined us.
oh, it's pretty good, man. What was that?
Yes.
That I saw do that.
And everyone loves his celebration now, man. It's pretty much.
And it might be out. Mac Wright. And our surge, the bowling team can urge from it.
Ellis goes with the wide Yorker. Billings chips it to deep.
Number 7 is Michael.
Out there.
Dermott and away for 4. Desperately needed.
This boundary since the last ball of the Hurricanes have done a really good job of.
Yeah, but give him the opportunity to.
They literally will take whatever.
It's the last thing you need as well as the bowl. And it takes the ball a little bit longer to get.
And it's dropped. Cut. I think you weren't expecting Ricky.
Drop one tonight. This is straightforward for another outfit to go down on his knees quite early.
This one should be taken. He's got a good set of hands in the deep.
Ball before use the big side. Get your timing right if you take pace for 1-2.
But he should be out. And David to 7 for 130. Their prize if they case.
Yeah, the big was on the way out of his hands. That is, picked up 3 when he decided to bowl first. About how.
So here's what did you think of the pitch, Ricky? And do you?
With a brand new white kookaburra in his hand, no doubt. 14 deliveries. Wide.
It's to come, perhaps, Ian Bishop.
A ball, maybe that same test match.
Yeah, from Caleb Jewell using his feet.
I think we'll see both the Hurricanes batsmen do that. Him off his length. If you see good proactive batting.
Comes at him. Out! Taken in. Had trouble with the lights. But he's... So Jewell's batting brings about his downfall.
To hold his composure as I make that shot down the ground. Jewell goes for 4.
Mac Wright. Edge dismissed for a duck, and Bartlett's...
This is what we spoke about pre-game as well. The new ball, then the first hit. That's good bounce. It's good shape. It's a good catch.
Ensure the catch.
Start with the ball, and as Ricky Fist hit that length, even the back edge of it or front edge of it as much as it has done.
So, what's he happening? How you see? Then skittled. McDermott long on. Oh, the rope or over? Over, well over.
This went miles in the air. He held the pose from Dermott.
At the ground and slammed the ball.
He's got 3.
Well, it's a slog, that, isn't it? That's what up the pressure. Just 2 off, 3 for 22. They don't need that. 2.
Well, this was all... He's refusing to be dictated to. Chowdhury's away. To defend. They have the hurry. Chowdhury, it's it over the fence for 6. Full game, son.
Big hit too, that.
Chowdhury just... And hitting over the top. Counter-punching batting.
It's gutsy out world. What he can deliver.
Absorbing this pressure.
Chowdhury's... He's loving the battle with spin.
Wicket to wicket because...
Yes. McDermott... It comes around, and McDermott's has been...
The new bowler on. Ivan Fawcett, he's taken a handful of wickets. Big wicket. McDermott.
Very tight finish. And enough on it. He's gone under the rope, I think.
Powerfully. Gets the body weight height down. Forces a change in the field.
Well, that's a fit. He's decided to...
And we're right behind this. And it made this difficult.
That's going to go to the boundary. That's a costly error.
Well, that's really turned the tables.
Give me good fence.
What he planned, and David is able to open.
This has a little glance as well.
From Bartlett. Chowdhury over the top of where
tailing outside leg stump. It's natural go-to shot, but it is...
Chowdhury, goodness me! By depositing 107 from 5. This... She's underneath it. Comes to an end.
That was obviously the plan. The Pirates running back. Off you go.
For 6.